Indeed, a privilege to shoot for the TETFUND, the Tertiary Educational Support System for all universities and polytechnics. This is me. This is the event. This event was held in Enugu, where the TETFUND met with all librarians and stakeholders on the library world, where they discuss about the new foundings, the new development on what you see Blackboard, adoption of Blackboard and TERAS adoption and usage in all universities, like that is electronic devices on expressing library functions, like teaching the students, university students on electric devices, putting library into electric devices. So that's the adoption of the Blackboard and TERAS adoption for all universities. So here we are. We're opportune to have the core opportunity to document these events. As you can see, these people here are all librarians in 400 universities and polytechnics in Nigeria. So they have to gather and let the TETFUND understand the lack of electric e-library, electronic library devices, where they are lacking behind, and they discuss about how to remedy this means to give an effective library usage and teaching environment in all universities. So we were called upon by TETFUND, the photography, the entertainment, to come and document this series, and this is what we did for them. So thank you, TETFUND, for giving us its invite. As you can see, I am here with my own tag to show that I was invited and registered. This is the 2025 two-day workshop, TETFUND workshop held in Enugu State. So thank you so much. Love you. Enjoy yourself. So everything was discussed. Like you can see, the man on the podium talking about how they will remedy the situation and what are the necessary tools they need to get everything done. So that's it. So thank you, TETFUND, for inviting us and inviting the World Entertainment to document this event. We love you so much. Thank you for everyone that watched this video. Please share so that this video will go viral to all students. This lady that stood up is one of the top pioneers.
Treasurer for NLA, just elected July this year. And I was the returning officer during the election, so the address didn't make any mistake in electing her. Thank you once more. We are politicians. She said it. I'm not getting that too. We want to acknowledge the TETFUND for making TERAS available for research development in Nigeria. And this discussion is a formidable one that will guide us on the way forward. First of all, librarians noted the nature of onboarding of members into TERAS and the Blackboard. Librarians have noted that they are finding it difficult to get onboarded, particularly in the Blackboard. Observation from our colleagues shows that there is a disconnect in many of the institutions between librarians and the director of ICT. Then, they also noted the issue about training. When the TETFUND gave us their own presentation yesterday, they mentioned that so many people have been trained, and librarians, okay? That so many people have been trained, but librarians in the Southeast particularly are not happy that this training has not reached to a maximum number of our colleagues in the Southeast. Very few have been trained from what we observed yesterday.
Compulsorily to ensure that staff and students benefit from the LMS maximally. Of course, this has been in existence, but many institutions are not aware of these TERAS. 7. The registrars noted the need for increased local content in our researches and called for its utilization in the assessment and promotion of our academic staff. 8. The registrars further advocated for the promotion of TERAS as a major platform for research publications in Nigeria. 9. The registrars called for consistent and constant interaction between the registrars and other stakeholders in the implementation of Blackboard and TERAS, namely the librarians, directors of academic planning, and directors of ICT, to enable management of academic institutions effectively design, appraise policies, and monitor the implementation of these laudable intentions.
Then, we also found out from that slide. Please provide the slide.